All right, boys and girls, here we are, December Daily Math, day 19. We only have 2 days left. Let's get after it. Write a division equation with a quotient of 6. Remember, quotient is the fancy word for the answer. Okay, so something with a quotient of 6. So what divided by what equals 6? Well, let's just say 6 equals, let's pick a number. 3. Okay. So a number divided by 3 equals 6. So 6 times 3 equals 18. Very good. 6, 12, 18, huh? Okay. Round 645 to the nearest 10. So I'm going to kind of write that big. All right, to the nearest 10. So that means we have to put a box around that so we know what we're looking at, right? So 640. One more 10 than 640 would be 650. So it has to be one of those two. Now we look next door. 4 or less. Okay, so if this number is 4 or less, it's going to be 640. If this number is 5 or more, oh, it is 5. 5 or more, raise the score. Our answer is 650. Okay. Latoya walked her dog for 30 minutes. If they started the walk at 2:15, at what time did they finish? So let's move our clock back to 2:15. So there's 2 o'clock, 2:15. Okay, so we're at 2:15, and she walked her dog for 30 minutes. Well, let's count 30 minutes from here. So we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So what time is it now? It is 2:45. Very nice. Draw hands on the clock to show 6:50. Okay, so let's do the minutes first, the 50 minutes. And I see 50 minutes is the one out here by the 10. Okay, so I'm going to take my minute hand, and I'm going to take that one. I like to go all the way out to this edge out here. So I'm going to go from all the way out here. Okay, so there's our 50 minutes. And it says 6:50. So it has to be somewhere between the 6 and the 7. So anywhere in this shaded area, right? Now, to make it a little closer, let's go with, it's almost 7, so let's put it to almost 7. Okay? So there we are, 6:50. Okay, it says complete the fact, then write 3 related facts. Okay, so 32 divided by something equals 4. That's also like saying 4 times something is 32. Well, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. That would be 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So 32 divided by 4 also equals 8. They're kind of like flip-flopped, right? And now we know our big numbers over here for the multiplication side. And these two go together here. So again, 8 times 4 and 4 times 8. All right, great job, boys and girls. We'll see you tomorrow for our final day of Daily Math.